If you have ever opened a fresh Windows 11 laptop and wondered why are there so many apps I never asked for, don't worry, you are not alone. Some of these apps are harmless. Some run in the background. And some just sit there doing nothing except slowing down your PC. In this video, I will show you how to safely remove bloatware from Windows 11 using best bloatware remover app. Here, I will explain what each step actually does. And most importantly, what you should not remove. No rushing, no risky shortcuts. Just a clean and safe explanation. A lot of people use debloat script they find online. Some of them work, but many remove things without explaining what they are doing. That's risky. Here, we will use AppBuster. AppBuster is a small, free utility made by O&O Software. They have been around for decades and mostly builds tool for Windows professionals. AppBuster is different because you can use every app, you choose exactly what gets removed, and you can restore apps later. That's why this is safer, especially if you are not a Windows expert. Once you open AppBuster, you will see a list of apps. You will notice that apps are marked with different colors. This is very important. These colors are AppBuster's way of warning you. Green apps are generally safe to remove. Yellow apps might be used by some features. And red apps are system critical. Here's the rule I follow. Just go to View tab and check Show Only app with recommendation. You will then see a list of recommended apps that may be safe to remove. Let me show you what I usually remove on a normal Windows 11 system. Things like Xbox apps, if you don't game, Clipchamp, news and weather, Bing related apps, OEM apps from laptop manufacturers. These apps don't affect Windows stability, don't break updates, and can always be restored later. I intentionally do not remove Microsoft Store, Windows Security, and System UI apps. The goal is not to remove everything. The goal is to remove what you don't need. To remove apps, you simply select them and click Remove. And then confirm. That's it. After removing bloatware, you may notice slightly faster startup, less background activity, a cleaner start menu, and lower memory usage. It won't turn an old PC into a gaming monster, but it does make Windows feel lighter and quieter. And honestly, that's how Windows should feel by default. What AppBuster does is simple. It shows you all the built-in Windows apps, including the ones Windows normally hides, and lets you remove them using official Windows methods. So this tool is not hacking your system. It's basically giving you a clear control panel for something Windows already allows. This is one of the safest way to debloat Windows 11. So I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.